What's up, everybody? My name is Keelan, and today we'll talk about how to use a planner, calendar, or other digital tool to organize your responsibilities. Organized schedule is guaranteed productivity. And today, our quote of the day is, "Until we can manage time, we can't manage anything else," by Peter Drucker. First, we need to clear our minds. Just like you organize your closet when it's too cluttered, you have to do the same with your mind. When you have a lot of tasks, duties, or events swirling around in your head, it creates a lot of stress. So what you'll do is take a piece of paper and write down everything you need to do. Write down every responsibility, even the small ones. The point is to clear your mind. Next, you'll choose your tool and create a schedule. You can choose between a paper planner or a digital calendar like Google Calendar. It's important to stay consistent. Once you've decided, we'll start with the most important events, such as your class schedules, work shifts, or family events. Also, include any new course schedules or project deadlines. Don't wait to write it down. You'll probably forget it if you put it off. Start prioritizing. It's important to know what needs your attention now and what can wait. This involves categorizing tasks into a must-do and a possible list. Regardless of the tool you use, remember to be realistic about what you can accomplish in a day. Avoid overloading your schedule as much as possible. Back-to-back tasks tend to be very energy intensive. You can reserve specific time slots for your tasks and scheduling around 70% of your day. Digital notifications can work with the same principle. When you set reminders on your phone, break them up so you don't feel overwhelmed. As I mentioned before, you should divide your day into periods of focused time and periods of rest. During your focused time, don't use your phone or social media, and use your rest time to relax for your social activities. In this video, we've covered how to manage your responsibilities. I want you to start planning your weeks and keeping track of your deadlines. Take control of how you spend your time and eliminate what drains you. And from that, you can organize your day so you can accomplish more. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.